Hi, this is Carly from Privy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a custom segment in your dashboard. To get started, head to Contacts and then Segments, and select the Create Segment button in the upper right-hand corner. To kick things off, let's go ahead and give our segment a name. I'm going to start with VIP Customers. And then to add a condition, you're just going to select this Choose Category drop-down menu. So we've got 4 different buckets of conditions that you can choose from. I'm going to run through each one and the highlights really quickly. The first bucket is going to be shopping activity. So all of these conditions are related to a contact's order activity or purchase history with your store. Below that, we have website behavior. So this is where you can target contacts based on which displays they've signed up for or how long they've been on your list. Customer attributes is where you can find your Privy tags or Shopify tags, and it's also where you can segment by custom fields as well. And lastly, email engagement. So all of these conditions are based on your contact's engagement activities with your emails, so whether or not they were sent certain emails or opened or clicked them. So for my VIP customers example, I'm going to start with order count. Once you select your condition, you'll just be asked to keep qualifying it. So I'm going to say a VIP customer is someone who has an order count that is greater than 2. And there's my first condition. If we want to keep adding more, all you have to do is click this and button right here and repeat those steps. So why don't we go by tag? I'm going to select Privy tags, and I know that I've got a VIP tag in here, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And let's add one more, maybe around email engagement. So I'm going to look for the opened condition, select that, and then you can segment based on whether or not someone has opened specific campaigns or by time frame. So for this, I'm going to say, show me anyone who has opened an email in the last 90 days. So now I've added all of my conditions, and before we move on, something that I wanted to call out and flag to you is this Match All drop-down menu. By default, it's always going to be set to match all, but you can also change it to match any. The biggest difference here is with match all, it means that a contact must meet every single condition that you've added to a segment. So you'll see that it has the word and in between all of your conditions. Basically means that if a contact is missing even just one of these, they will not be included in the segment. If we change it to match any, you'll notice that these have changed from and to or. And basically that just means that a contact needs to meet at least one of these conditions to be part of the segment. If you change your mind and you want to delete a condition that you've added, you can go ahead and click this X right here and it'll take it away. Once you're happy with your segment, you can go ahead and finish up by hitting Create in the upper right-hand corner. And now you'll see it in your segments table. Moving forward, you can click Create Message and start an email or text message that's already targeted to this segment here, or you can just use them down the line to segment campaigns or flows and really refine your messaging based on the conditions that you've set here.